Everyone, welcome to jobskillshare.org, our course Help Desk Support Entry Level to Specialist. This video is a hands-on real-world scenario where a user can ask, hey, can I get a second monitor? So now, in reality, in a help desk job, you usually either ask for some type of approval. Maybe monitors are expensive and your manager would like you to know. So you will probably send that to your manager. You got the approval. Yes, go ahead. Put the monitor on that desktop. So the second thing is, again, this is a physical work. You need to bend down, go to the room, and you'll pick the monitor on some card or something like that. You need to put it in inventory system. That is very important. And then after that, you will go and set up everything. So once you have set up something like this, we have two examples right here. One monitor right here is the HDMI, and HDMI cable is plugged into this laptop. Another one is the VGA. Do not mind this. I'm just poor. I cannot afford too many monitors. So here, and I was not angry. Trust me, I was not angry when I broke this. So I had a VGA right here. VGA is right here. It's not connected. So what happened in most cases when you have monitor like this, and when you plug in the cables, it usually automatically picks it up. So sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So you have to play around with it, and you need to know where to do these kind of settings. So that's what we are going to do. First, this is on analog right now. So you need to make sure when you do VGA, you need to go to analog, pick analog, and then it will work. So it's on analog. You need to check your own monitor and find that option here somewhere. Just click on it, analog, digital. So analog for VGA. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the blue wire and plug it in to this laptop right now. So as soon as I plug it in, you see the blink, and this is my monitor right there. It's already extended, which is basically this is my main screen and this one is my extended screen. So I can move my mouse all the way down there. You can see it's already working. Sometimes that don't happen. So let's see if it will work with this one, and then we can play around and show you the settings. So let's go ahead and unplug this. And this one is not coming up. Now, it depends what you're using. So I have, this is kind of like a TV, but at the same time, monitors could be the same thing. So you might have another options. Like I said, you're gonna click on it, and here we need to go to source. If you're using a TV, then you're probably using something like this, or the monitor, or on the monitor itself. Source, as see right there, you have options right there. Now you need to go down to HDMI, and I'm gonna click on that. And you saw that little blink, and bam, there you go. But it's not smooth like this always. So first thing, you need to know how to get to the HDMI part. So what you need to do here is you need to right click on your computer and go to settings in Windows 10, display settings, and usually it's the same on Windows 7 too. You just need to find out that display settings, and you can see this is 1, this is 2. You can click on detect right here, and if you have another monitor connected, it will also detect it, but there's no monitors connected. You can identify, and it will tell you this is 1, this is 2, and if there was 3, it will tell you 3. But most of the time what happens is that you get options like this. I'm going to show you right now. If you go here, and I'll just say duplicate these two, okay, apply. Now in most cases what happens, keep changes, it's like this. You have two screens and the same screen. User might call again. Maybe you plugged it in and you don't have the rights to get in right now, so maybe they'll call you again, or maybe you do have rights, but I'm just saying. So you're gonna go back and say, okay, you know what, this is not right settings. They want this extended, they want this to be left and this one to be right. So then you need to go back here and extend these displays and click apply and okay. So now you see it's extended. I'm gonna keep settings. I can move back between these two right here like that. So that's how it works. Again, if you see this one on the right side and they don't want this on the right side, then maybe you just need to change the numbers right here, and you can easily change it by going up and just hold this one and move it to the other side, and then make it a default monitor for the user. So maybe because they're left-handed, they don't want to use it this way, they want to use it the other way. There are other ways you can also connect monitors. You might not have these two. Maybe in new monitors the VGA might be blocked. It's not even working. VGA is like not. There's another new card installed. So if people have like splitters, DVI cables, so that comes with it. Most of the companies, they will have that already in their system, and that's how usually it works. You just have to play around with these settings because you don't want to sit in front of the user and then figuring this out. It doesn't look good. So if you do have you're confused about it and you think that this is something you don't know in your company, I would strongly suggest you get two monitors, play around with it, because you definitely gonna get this call if you have two monitors getting approved for users. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in a different real world scenario.